Dear ZeeLancer, in today's tutorial, we will learn how to use the ZeeLance software on the point-of-sale POS system for in-store sale management without installing any code on your device. To understand the process, click on Login. Enter your username and password and press Login. Once you are logged in, you can see your connected business at the top of the header section. Make sure you have an active role in that business, either as admin, manager, or BS account. A BS account refers to the buyer or seller account that has limited access only to selling at the POS terminal and no access to the dashboard, revenue, or other confidential files of company. In contrast, the admin has full access to use the ERP system of the connected business and can add or remove anyone from the team at any time. For POS system integration and running, click on ERP Center and go to In-Store Sale Management. If you are visiting for the first time, make sure your barcode scanner is configured with the system properly. To do this, click on the Help icon and select Instant Help. Scan each of the barcodes from your scanner in the same sequence. Once done, close the windows. Now, to start generating an in-store sale order, click on the plus icon. Here, according to your store configuration, default values for each field are already set, like invoice type and invoice mode. Enter customer phone, email, or name to sort out it from existing customers if the order belongs to one, or if it is a new customer, just enter their phone number and proceed. If you do not want to assign the order to a customer, keep 0 as default. You can also add any special remarks related to that order. Click the Done button and it will generate an order for your customer. To add products to the newly created order, click on the Product button and start scanning your store products purchased by the customer. The system will read and match the barcodes inside your store data and continue billing automatically. If the product name column turns red, it means the product is already expired. And if the product price column turns red, it means you are selling below the threshold price and at a loss. You can scan and add all purchased products one by one, or if a single product is purchased multiple times, you can adjust its quantity. Once done, click Submit Order, and instantly the Payment Recovery module will open. Here you can define the payment amount, payment mode, and upload receipt if available. Suppose partial payment is received, enter the amount here. If fully paid, click the Paste icon to clear the bill. If not paid, leave it empty. Then click Save Payment. Once saved, it will automatically print the thermal receipt from your printer. Click OK and proceed with the next order. If the thermal receipt fails to print automatically, you can print it manually by clicking on the Thermal Receipt icon. For complete A4 size billing, click on the PDF icon, and it will generate the complete bill with details of each product sold and the total payment. You can also click Add Product to edit, update, add, or delete a product from the bill, and click Submit Order again. Update payment details as per the new order, and click Save Payment. Furthermore, you can click on Show More option, where you can directly call the customer, send an SMS or message them, or reach them on their WhatsApp number. You can also select a payment recovery date to ensure smooth business operations and receive real-time alerts for pending recoveries so you can reach customers as per their commitments for faster recovery. Order status can also be changed from here. Scroll down to view the customer details if needed. For your company's revenue and audit, click on the Print icon in the top corner, where you will find multiple options such as Company's Current Overdue Recoveries, Company Total Sale Within Date, Client Current Overdue Recoveries, or Total Sale to Client Within Date. Suppose you click on Company Total Sale Within Date, select a date range, and click the Print button. It will give you an overall business detail for in-store sales, such as total paid and pending revenue for your company. In the same way, you can check the ledger of any customer at any time within a selected date range, or track overdue recoveries to make the process faster and more efficient.